So today I'm going to show you how to get this curl hairstyle with absolutely no heat. It takes 5 minutes tops and you don't have to have any skills in hairstyling whatsoever. Keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's Friday and as per usual, we're gonna have some beauty tips. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy to have you here. I'm super grateful for all of your support. And if you're new, please consider to be a subscriber and join my family by clicking the subscription button and ring the notification bell. So today I'm gonna try this a bit crazy looking method for doing heatless curls, and the great thing about this is you can do other things while this is working for you. It looks a bit crazy now as I said, but let's see how this turns out. Keep on watching to the end. First of all, you want to make sure that your hair is totally smooth before you put these curlers in. I just use my tangle teaser and I brush through all my hair to make sure it's totally smooth and tangle free. I chose to do it on dry hair today, but you can always do it on kind of towel dried hair or even wet hair. If your hair tends to be a little bit frizzy, it's always a good idea to put in some hair oil or maybe a frizz cream into your hair before you put the curlers on. After you made sure that your hair is smooth and totally tangle free, you divide your hair into 2 equally large parts. Then you want to go ahead and grab this crochet needle looking thing and you put the curler on. It's really easy, just kind of put it on there and just slide it down the needle. So what you're going to do next is that you take a strand of hair that you can fit into the curler and you just hook it onto the needle and pull it down and slide it into the curler. And voila, super easy! Just continue with another strand of hair and just continue the process by hooking it onto the needle, pull it into the curler and slide it down. Also make sure that the curler is totally curled back so that it's not kind of stuck in a flat position, if that makes sense. And then you just continue with another strand of hair until you're all done. And what you also might notice here is that I put all of the same colored ones on one side, and that is because they are all kind of curling the same way. I have some from different sets, so that's why I'm putting some pink and some orange in. Also make sure that you not include your bangs into the curlers. I'm going to show you how to do these afterwards, but just save that part for later. And here we are, all done on one side. Let's continue with the next. Since we're grabbing quite large parts with each curler, this is a really quick process and you're done in no time. And also a good tip to get those smooth and frizz-free curls is to put the needle on the middle of the hair strand and just pull and slide the curlers downwards to make sure you have all the hairs facing the same way. And here we are, both sides are done. Let's continue with the bangs, and I just take a longer one and just make sure that the curl is pointing outwards. This is because we want to have the curl facing away from your face. If you have a side bang or a side fringe like I do, you usually have one side that is longer, so here I take a longer one and just put it on that side, and I take a shorter one on the other side where it's slightly shorter. And also here, just make sure that the curl is facing away from your face. In my bangs, I usually don't want to have the curls too up towards my head, so I just pull them down a little bit extra. And here we are, all done! Super cute look, right? So what you can do now is that you do other things and you just leave it in for a few hours. So now it's been a few hours and I've been able to do some other things like work and some laundry, and I've been cooking, and these have been working all by themselves for that time. So let's see what the result is. Here you have the end result. It's not like a super tight curl, it's more of a beach wave or maybe old Hollywood look. But as I said, I use no heat and I have used these curlers with heat before, like with a hairdryer, and you just dry the ends with some hot air to just make it even more tight. But again, that is more damaging to your hair. So if you just want to have a good everyday look that just makes you look like you put some effort into your hairdo, this is a great alternative. And it's foolproof, and that's a good thing about this. You don't really have to have any technique skills. You can just put these in and you can do other things while these are working for you, and then after a few hours you're good to go. If you're not a skilled hairstylist like I am, or like I'm not, this is a great way to kind of get this style vibe every day. So this was this Friday beauty video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of the things I post, like luxury handbags or beauty tips, just hit the subscription button and also the notification bell, and you'll get notifications on my next video. Can't wait to see you coming back here. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.